temper is here. I'm going to put the espresso into a jug.
Yep.
Put the jug on the scales, zero the scales. And I'm going to weigh in, and I could do this from the tub or from a sachet, 20 grams of the frozen hot cocoa mix.
That's about half a packet, isn't it?
About half a packet, so probably better from a tub actually, because then you just keep going back. Mix this up in the tub. I'm going to put this into a preheated glass, in this case the sort of standard latte sundae glass. There's quite a lot of mix remaining in here. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water just to get there. Very little hot water. Okay. And I'm going to make sure that's all mixed for a consistent texture. Cold milk. Over to the machine, blow out the water. Add some air, and I'm going for a latte consistency here, not cappuccino, so not super thick.
Right. How do you know when the milk's got to the right temperature?
Two ways. One is my hand, I can feel it, so I'm heading up to 60 degrees.
Yep.
And I can also cheat because I have a thermometer on the side of my jug. Should be around 60, 65. Yep. We are good. Knock out the bubbles, mix up my milk, pour in quite hard, and serve.
Beautiful.
And that's oriented for a right-handed customer.
Love the detail. Thank you.